Good evening, everyone. As you are aware, there was a very big meeting where the South Africans tried to appease the Americans in terms of AGOA, the African Growth and Opportunity Act, which had been suspended, to say that if you are saying that there's a white genocide in South Africa, but you are also sanctioning us by taking us out of AGOA and hurting the very same white farmers, what kind of policy are you pursuing? I think that was the main thing that was discussed there, other than Donald Trump actually continuing to fight against terrorists, and also Cyril Ramaphosa explaining South Africa's position as a non-aligned country which pursues human rights according to the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa, which is pursuing an order that is just, an order where there is no slavery, an order where there is no apartheid, an order where there is no exploitation of men by men. Now we don't know the outcomes. We are still waiting to hear what happened and what were the agreements that were signed, and whether our farmers are going to regain the American market by being readmitted into AGOA. But of course, you are also aware that we are also part of BRICS. The Americans are fighting against the Chinese, which is our senior partner in the richest country in the BRICS. So if they are fighting against them, raising unreasonable tariffs against the Chinese, which are productive people, meaning that now they are enslaving Chinese. If what you are producing is being made redundant, really, because who is going to pay a tariff of more than 100%? So you are being made a slave, in a sense, to say you are just gifting these things to the Americans when you have worked hard for them. So those are some of the issues, and particularly when you look at Latin American politics that Donald Trump speaks about, that Latin American countries are releasing criminals into the American system in their millions. And now you ask yourself, if a person has served their sentence and they are done with their sentence and then they want a better life in America and they apply through legal means, what is the problem with that? Because that person has served their sentence. So, meaning that there is a double punishment for people who are being judged for having committed sins in the past or broken the law in the civil sense, and they are not being allowed to be to pursue the American dream. Now we know that America itself had a Wild West, it had slavery, it had all those kinds of things. So it's not a country that is clean. Of course, they are trying to clean their image now, but now we know that Indians were almost wiped out uh, by the Americans, historically speaking. So it's a very dangerous trip for Ramaphosa to take, and then we'll hear what he has to say to Parliament when he comes back to account according to the Constitution. Thank you.